going to talk about chain rule, and under chain rule there's a question here. Find the y dx given that y is equals to 4u squared, y is equals to 4u squared plus 3u, and u is equals to 6x squared plus 7. And under this one we need to know that we find the derivative of the external function, which is this one, 4u squared plus 3u, and the derivative function of the internal function, which is u of 6u squared plus 7, and multiply those derivatives. Higher, we need to find the derivative of du, dy, du of the external function, which is 8u plus 3. When you have done the derivative of this, find that 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8, then 2 minus 1, which is 1. We get 8u plus 3. Then here 3, the function for here is 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Then 1 minus 1 is 0, so u goes, we remain with 3. That is the derivative of external function. Then the derivative of internal function, that is du with respect to dx. With x, that is 12x. That is 12x. So dy out of du so dy over dx will be dy over dx is equals to dy over du multiplied by du out of dx. This is the general formula of the sum. This is the general formula which we shall be using. So when we multiply 8u plus 3 by 12x, that is dy du dx, we get this one. But remember, our u is this one, but keep in mind our u is that, so we want to replace where u is with that. So when we replace these values, we get 8 into 6x squared plus 7, which is the value of u, plus 3 in the bracket, multiplied by du dx, which is 12x. And this one, when we multiply the internal brackets first, 8 multiplied by 6x squared, that is 48, we get 48x squared plus 56 plus 3 multiplied by 12x. Then when we say this one, 56 plus 3, when we add 56 plus 3, we get 59. So 12 multiplied by 48x squared, we get 57x 576 x cubed plus 7 or 8x. That is it for the first example. Second, look at the second example. It's so simple. Use chain rule to solve y is equals to 5 plus 2x into bracket power 10. When we're given a sum like this one, first of all we need to use substitution method. We say let u be this, the function with x, this value that has a x function. So let u be 5 plus 2x. After letting that, we rewrite our equation as y is equals to u raised to power 10. Then after that, we just know that we have our general formula, that is dy over dx is equals to dy over du multiplied by du dx. Yes, so we want to find the derivative of that equation and multiply by the derivative of du dx. Okay, this is dy, so dy over du is equals to 10u power 9, as we have find the derivatives of u power 10. So this is the external, this is external function, and du over dx, which was 5 plus 2x, when we find the derivative of it we shall get 2, and this was internal function. So we get the external function multiplied by internal function, that is du over dy du multiplied by du dx, which is here 10 u raised to power 9 multiplied by 2. Then we shall get 20, which is equal to 20 u power 9. But our u was equal to 5 plus 2x. That is, this is our u. So if this is our u, meaning that take 20 into 5 plus 2x raised to power 9. And we can go further by multiplying this 20 with this bracket, that is or our answer may just remain at this point, or may multiply 20 by 5, which is 100, plus 20 by 2x, that is 40x raised to power 9. And that is it about the chain rule.